Another beautiful day in London town, and I'm on my daily walk in the brisk cold. What's happening, guys, with the market? The market is not looking very good. I made a video yesterday and I talked about a whale that is dumping, and apparently there are more whales that are dumping than just that one. In fact, there are apparently other people as well who are causing the issues. Of course, there's more to it than just the whale dropping their BTC, but I was just talking specifically about BTC and how the exchanges and market makers can use this opportunity to, further dump the market and create liquidations so that they can balance their sheets. Obviously, one of the big problems that the economy is having in the US at the moment, because of course the US economy vastly affects what's happening with crypto, is Japan. Sorry about the backlight there. The sun's shining pretty brightly. So Japan and their sudden rate hikes have caused a lot of people to start selling off some of their stocks in the United States so that they can pay off their debt in Japan. So the whole arbitrage thing isn't working so well at the moment. And because of that, of course, the first things that they're going to sell off are the risky stocks. And of course, Bitcoin is still classed as such. So massive sell-offs in Bitcoin, taking us down that really dreaded price of 86,000 BTC. And of course, that affects everything else. So that's terrible news. So that's two pieces of bad news. Whales are selling, economy is destroyed thanks to Japan. Another bit of not so good news is, guys, what's happening with Nvidia? It looks like, I don't know if there's some deception that's gone on, or misunderstanding or misreporting. It looks like the stock market suddenly changed their mind about Nvidia. And a lot of the excitement that was felt, a lot of the jubilation and price hike that happened with Nvidia, with the stock market, was based on the fact that Nvidia was suddenly looking good and that AI tokens were suddenly, back. And of course, now it's gone south. Things have gone the other way around. And the problem is, again, people have lost money because of liquidations, because of false hope. So that's pretty bad. But what's good? Even Brad Garlinghouse jubilated on Twitter, or X, or whatever you call it now, that the Bitwise spot ETF, he probably means some of the other ones too, but specifically the Bitwise one he celebrated on Twitter, it's basically kicking off what would be ETF FOMO, or XRP ETF FOMO specifically. So we're about to enter, apparently, some good times. By the way, I don't know what that sound is, by the way, guys. You might notice a bit of a change on my channel. It's not just my channel. It's going to be probably most of the YouTubers that you watch. YouTube has kind of gone after us a little bit because of the use of some terminology. So you're not going to hear some of the things that you're used to hearing. Just the words are going to change. I'm sure you can figure it out yourself. I won't say more than that. I'll see you later.